There is a new payday coming, not for people, for AI agents. That may sound like science fiction, but it's happening right now. And it could become one of the biggest technological shifts since the birth of the internet itself. For years, AI has learned how to write, create, analyze, and code faster than any human could imagine. Yet despite all that intelligence, every AI system shared the same weakness. It couldn't participate in the economy. The moment it needed a premium service or extra computing power, it had to stop and wait for a human to approve the payment. That single limitation kept artificial intelligence from becoming truly autonomous. Until today. Ripple has introduced the XRPL AI Starter Kit, giving developers the tools to build agents that can handle their own payments. These agents can now send and receive payments using XRP and RLUSD through the emerging X402 payment protocol. Instead of waiting, an AI agent can securely purchase the services it needs and continue working without interruption. Imagine asking an AI to launch a marketing campaign. It writes copy, creates graphics, and builds landing pages. Along the way, it realizes it needs premium stock images, extra GPU power for rendering, and live analytics. In the past, the project would stop right here, while someone manually entered a credit card number. With autonomous payments, the AI purchases every service it needs in real time and finishes the campaign while you're focused on growth. Now expand that idea beyond one project. Imagine millions of AI agents working together every second of every day. One specializes in legal research, another in financial markets, while others handle translations or medical analysis. Instead of isolated tools, they begin hiring one another, exchanging data, and collaborating automatically. Every payment unlocks another capability. Every completed transaction makes the network more valuable. This is the beginning of an entirely new digital economy, where software doesn't just process information, it creates value. As this ecosystem grows, another challenge emerges. How do millions of AI agents discover one another? Developers need to showcase apps, and autonomous systems need trusted infrastructure where they can safely interact. That's why the XRPL AI Hub is so important. It's evolving into a live index of the growing agent economy. It connects developers, merchants, and the infrastructure powering machine-to-machine commerce on the XRP Ledger. Giving AI the ability to make payments is the moment intelligence becomes economically independent. The question is no longer whether it's coming. The real question is how quickly it will transform the way the world does business.